Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Essie. So in today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Jogia Aina times ABH palette. Jogia. You guys, I am super excited to bring this video to you today. You guys have been DMing me, asking me, am I going to be reviewing the Jogia Aina palette? And yes, the answer is yes. Let me just show you. The package does come in this very beautiful snake skin patterned package, and when you turn it, it does turn different colors. And I'm gonna be very honest with you, I don't feel like the pictures online do this palette justice. Like, even me looking in the viewfinder here, I don't feel like you get the essence of the palette on camera or in picture. But before we get started, whoa, stop the train. If you are not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button now. Like, comment, and share this video. Okay, I got that out of the way. Back to the palette. So yes, I did take a peek at the palette. And like I said, I don't feel like these colors pop the way they do in person. Like, this palette is gorgeous. Like, in person and on camera, it just does not translate. Even when I saw the images that Jackie put up and Anastasia put up, I just felt like the colors they didn't really grab me. I've already prepped my face. All of the details of the products that I've used on my face will be on my Instagram. I usually post them under my Instagram videos. So, moving along, we're just gonna go ahead and start with ginger. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Morphe M330 brush. It makes me so nervous when I use a palette for the first time. So we're just gonna be very liberal with ginger. First color is going on really well. So I think ginger went on really well. It kind of reminds me of Saddle's sister, Saddle by MAC. It's us. Now we're gonna go into pinker, and I'm just gonna place that in my crease. Listen, this is one dip into the palette. Okay, one dip. Jackie, you did not have to do us like this. Where is this look going, guys? I don't even know. So torn. So torn. Oh my god. I don't know if I should do Wiggly, Sponsored, Lituations is calling my name. I'm gonna keep putting color in my crease just to create more depth. I'm gonna go ahead and go into Credit. We're gonna make this a very smoky, like I said, I don't know where this look is going. Shoot, look at this. When I say the color payoff is freaking same, like brown is brown, like Credit is Credit, legit. You know, sometimes you put brown on there and you can see that dustiness, that grayness almost. This is not that. This is not that, and that ain't this. Child, this is, woo. Let me go ahead and cut my crease. I'll be right back. Whoa! Okay. Uh-oh, let me powder. I feel like my pores are starting to show. Well, I don't know if there's going to be fallout, but I just want to be protected. When I have to add color to my corners is when the colors start patching up. So we're going to go back into Credit and see how that layers on top. Y'all know what I'm talking about. For those of you that use eyeshadows and layer them, you know what I mean when I say when you start layering them in this corner, sometimes some kind of patchiness happens, but baby, we secure over here. This is a secure line of Credit, okay? Come through, Credit. No patchiness. No patchiness, no bald spots. I'm impressed. Okay, I'm gonna go back into pinker. We're gonna tap that into the corner. Oh my God, these colors are layering so pretty. So, look at that. Listen, when the mattes in the palette can perform like this, you have a palette. Now I feel like I need to go back to my other ABH palettes and see if they perform like this. Let me find out. Let me find out Miss Aina stayed in the factory to make sure that hers did not patch. Let me find out, Jackie. Jackie. Let's go ahead and go into sponsored. Wish me luck. Best decision I ever made. Ooh, this is looking real good. I gotta stop talking to y'all because I'm messing up all my pitch. Y'all see it? Y'all cannot tell me. Y'all cannot tell me nothing. Oh my God. Y'all ain't about to be able to tell me nothing. What? Not a damn thing. I know y'all see this. But I'm gonna let y'all act like y'all don't see this, but I know y'all see it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this look, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts about the palette. Okay. All right, you guys, so here is the final look. The only thing I did with the rest of the eyes is I lined my waterline, I took pinker and smoked out the lash line, and then went in a little closer with credit, and then just on the outside I used Supreme just to give it a little bit of a highlight. I used Soleil, I think I showed you guys, I used Soleil in the inner corner. And you will see the rest of the products that I used on my face on my Instagram post when I make this video, when I post this video on Instagram. So here are my final thoughts. Because you guys know, as a working MUA, I like to find palettes that I can use, not just on myself, but on my clients as well. Currently from the ABH brand, I have Soft Glam and Norvina that I carry with me in my kit at all times, along with my other palettes. Will this palette be joining the family? So here's my take on it. Do I think that this palette is worth the money? Yes. So does this palette work for all skin tones? Let me just speak a little bit on that. We all know that Jackie made this palette specifically for African American skin tones, specifically for women of color. Now, will this palette work on fair complected people? I do feel like it will work. However, these colors are going to transfer a lot deeper on fairer complected people. So just keep that in mind if you're watching this video and you are not of a deeper complexion. Just know that these colors are very intense. The key claims are no ashiness according to Jackie Aina, and the saying holds true. Like, none of these colors, although I didn't use all of the matte shades, but I used majority of the matte shades, and they are not ashy at all, and they layer so beautifully. Like, it takes a lot for mattes to layer. Like, that's something, especially as a makeup artist, like, you don't want to have a palette in your kit that you're going to be using and layering with your mattes, and then they're going to start getting patchy. Like I said in the video earlier, there is no patchiness. I've layered these colors layer upon layer upon layer, and there is no patchiness. As far as the foil shades, I feel like they are of your normal ABH formula. Next time I would like to try Zam, because even just looking at Zam, I feel like it's a little different from the other foils. And there's another color in here. Is it Dola's? To me is the only one. I don't know what it is. I don't know what this crushed reflective quality is that's going on in this palette, but that one definitely has it's saying something different from the other metallic tones and the other foil tones in here. Trust issues. Wow. That's definitely not what I thought it was gonna do. Usually when you see a color like Trust Issues, it looks so frosty. This definitely, I want to add a little bit to my brow bone just to see. Yeah. That's different. Now I see why it's called Trust Issues, because I mean, looking at it, I wouldn't trust it, but putting it on, it definitely does not look like what it looks like in pan. It's definitely more of a hint of a yellow greenish, like very pretty brow highlight though. Okay, so yeah, would I recommend this palette to any and everyone? Yes, I would, honestly. Like, I'm not even just saying that. You guys know I keep it very, very real on my channel. I am very honest about products. Like, I am not, nobody's paying me. And even if they were, I'm still gonna tell the truth. Like, I definitely would add this. And let me just say this. I just thought of this as I was closing the palette. I told you guys, in my kit, I have Soft Glam and Norvina. I wouldn't dare show you what those palettes look like right now. They are disgusting looking because of the packaging. This palette, look at this. I'm gonna be able to wipe this off and it's gonna stay clean. It's gonna look just like this. It's gonna maintain its image as it gets used. Now the inside, it's still ABH. Like, what happens on the inside with your ABH palettes, I can see that happening with this palette, just because even as I dip my brush into these, you know, the kickback is definitely there. So that's not different. But the outside, good job, Jackie, on the packaging, because for a working MUA, this is perfect. It really is. It's always nice to be able to pull out a nice clean palette when you're working. So here ends my review. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments section. If you feel like this video is going to help somebody, go ahead and share it. And if you're not already subscribed by this point, you need to just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I mean, might as well. You've watched the whole video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Okay, so until next time, thank you. Bye.